Hello guys, myself Raghavendra. I am from this department, third sem. Today I am going to explain the topic addressing modes and its type. Introduction to addressing modes. Addressing modes are set of rules and techniques used in computer architecture to specify how the operands of an instructions are accessed. They define the various ways in which the memory address of an operand can be computed or specified. Addressing modes plays an critical role in determining the flexibility, efficiency, and complexity of instruction set architectures. Immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode involves directly specifying the operand values within the instructions itself. The operand values is typically a constant or immediate data. This mode is usually this mode is useful for performing arithmetic and logic operations on constant or immediate values. Register addressing modes. Register addressing modes involves specifically specifying the operands using a register. The operand values is stored in a specific register and the instructions refers to that registered indirectly. Direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode involves specifying the operands using a memory address directly. The instructions refer to the memory address where the operand is stored. This mode is suitable for accessing data from fixed memory location or for accessing variable in high-level performing languages. This is the diagram for the direct addressing mode. Instructions opcode address A to the memory operand. Indirect addressing mode. Indirect address mode involves specifying the operands using a memory address stored in register. Then the instruction refer to the memory address stored in the register rather than directly accessing the operands. This mode is useful for the accessing data structures or array where the memory address the operands is stored in register. Indexed addressing mode. Indexed addressing mode involves specifying the operands using basic address and index or offset values. The instruction computes the effective memory address by adding the basic address and the index of offset values. This mode is commonly used for accessing elements of array or for implementing data structure like linked list. Relative addressing mode. Relative addressing mode involves specifying the operands using a memory address relative to the program counter. The instruction the instruction computes the effective memory address by adding the relative address to the current value of the program counter. This mode is useful for branching instructions and for accessing data or instruction within a limited range. Stack addressing mode. Stack addressing mode involves specifying the operands using the top of the stacks. The operand values is pushed onto the stack or popped from the stack based on the instruction. This mode is commonly used for functional calls, parameter passing, and managing local variables. Compression of addressing modes. Each addressing mode has its own advantages and disadvantages, depends on the specific application and architecture. Some addressing mode provides faster access to data, while other offer more flexibility in addressing memory location. The choice of addressing mode depends on factors such as performing requirement, memory concentrate, and the complexing of the instruction sets. Difference between addressing mode and applications and their applications. Immediate addressing mode. Initialize register to constant value. Direct addressing mode and register direct as addressing mode. Helps access stack data and it implements variables. Indirect indirect addressing mode and register indirect addressing mode. Helps implement pointers and pass arrays as parameter. Relative addressing mode. Helps in program relocation in runtime and in changing the sequence of instruction during execution. Base register addressing mode helps in writing relocated code and handling recusing procedures. Conclusion. Addressing mode are essential for determining how operands are accessed and manipulated in computer architecture. Different addressing mode offer various ways to specify memory address and access data essentially. Understanding and selecting the appropriate addressing mode is critically in design effective and effectively instructed as architectures. So it is all about the video. Thank you for watching.